Yo, what's up, guys? Can you see these guys? How they are fighting today? Oh my god, just look at these guys. You cannot separate them. So much of anger.
Wait, leave it.
Man, you see how they'll get stuck? I'm getting scared. He'll bite me.
Are leave me, Charlie.
Man, don't do anything. I'm getting scared. Charlie!
Well, that was one crazy fight out there.
Move, Alfie boy. Move. You move. Sit here. Now keep him up. Keep him up, then now see what they'll fight. Keep him up now.
Wait, now
Don't go close now, you. See how you doing first one? Go there. Good. You were funny one. I was slap on you. He'll beat you up. Go there. Go there. Keep him there only. Keep him there only. Put na for first one.
Always likes to jump on the camera. Just look at this guy, yeah.
He also got one. This one also got one. Put him also down. Not you want to go to the Dapadgiri in middle of the correct. He'll bite you up. See. I told you. See, if I put third one again, instant biting.
Looks like he's done with all the fighting now. My god. Where are these guys? Yeah. Both are here. Where's the third one? He loves to eat from your mouth. I don't know what he finds inside. God alone knows that. Come here. Yeah. He behaves like he owns the mouth, like it's all his, like it's his territory or anything. I don't know what does he thinks of himself. Dumbass. Check the third one out, trapped in his own mess. Always gets tangled in all these things. He is one crazy
what you're doing, man?
of bird. Look at the second one, how he is trying to figure out what the guy has done to himself.
Second one went to save him.
Well, he's trying to save him, and there he goes.
He's getting scared. He also know they are mad. See, I will take my hair and go now. Ay. Ah!
CBI na ba down?
This girl is busy writing, and the bulbul, you can see, he's busy building his nest on her head. Can you see how he's picking one hair and putting under him? Just check him out. I don't know what he's trying to do. Someday we'll figure it out. Yeah. Yeah, take all that hair. Very good. Keep it up. Keep it up. See, see? Wow, great. This guy is amazing. Just check him out, man. All the hairs. Yeah. Don't leave even a single one. Go for it. Very good. Very good. Oh, now he looks comfortable. Great. It looks like it's time to say goodbye then. Say bye, first one. Where are you going? I said say goodbye. Bye bye, first one. Here's the second one right in front of you. Yeah, look at this guy. Bye bye. And there's the third one. Good night, everybody.